Hello students, today we see the last two examples of the miscellaneous exercise 6a. Here example number 21, write the vector equation of the line whose Cartesian equation are y equal to 2 and 4x minus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay. Here we want to find the vector equation of these lines. Okay. Here given Cartesian equation, of line, here it is y is equal to 2 and 4x minus 3z plus 5 is equal to 0. Okay, here see carefully, we know that the Cartesian equation of line is x minus x1. Here we know it is x minus x1 upon a is equal to y minus y1 upon b is equal to z minus z1 upon c. Okay, here the y variable y can be written in the separate, that means the direction ratio. Okay, here the value of b is a 0. Okay, that means y minus y1 upon 0, therefore y can be written separately. Okay, here this equation we can write in this form and then reduce it to vector form. Okay, now therefore we can write here y is equal to 2 and here 4x is equal to, see carefully, 3x minus 5. 4x is equal to 3x minus 5. Then here y equal to 2 or y minus 2 equal to 0. Okay, here and it is 4x upon 1 is equal to 3z minus 5 upon 1. Okay, here and then this can be written as it is y minus 2 is equal to 0 and here x upon 1 by 4, coefficient of x it is 1, is equal to here 3z, therefore divided by 3, then here it is a z minus 5 by 3 upon 1 by 3. Okay, and therefore this equation can be written as, see carefully, x upon 1 by 4 is equal to y minus 2 upon 0 is equal to z minus 5 by 3 upon 1 by 3. Okay, it is Cartesian equation of the given line. Okay, it is a given line, it is Cartesian equation, symmetric form of the equation, x upon 1 by 4, y minus 2 upon 0 and it is z minus 5 by 3 upon 3. That means 1 by 4, 0 and 1 by 3 are the direction ratios. Okay, this is an indeterminate form, so we can write equation in the form of this. Okay, here but it is 1 by 4 and it is 0 upon 0, it is a real number and it is a direction ratio. Okay, therefore direction ratios. Okay, therefore line passing through point line passing through point 0, 2 and 5 by 3. See carefully, line passing through point x minus x1, y minus y1 and z minus z1, x1, y1, z1, it is x1 0, y1 2 and z1 5 by 3. Okay, line passing through point and direction ratios of line are 1 by 4, 0, 1 by 3. That is multiply throughout by 12. Okay, LCM of this, it is a 3, 0 and it is 4. Multiply throughout by 12. When we multiply 12, here it is a 3. When multiply by 12, it is a 0. When multiply it is a 4. 3, 0, 4 are the direction ratios, and therefore line passing through point with position vector a bar is equal to, it is a 2j cap plus 5 by 3 k cap. Okay, and parallel to vector b bar, it is 3i cap plus 4k cap, and therefore vector equation of line is r bar is equal to a bar plus lambda b bar, and then r bar is equal to 2j cap plus 5 by 3 k cap and plus lambda into b bar 3i cap plus 4 k cap. Okay, here it is a vector equation of this line. Okay, see carefully. Okay. Equation in the form, we can convert the Cartesian equation in this form first, and then passing through point and direction ratios, and from the passing through point we have the position vector of passing through point, and from the direction ratios we get the parallel vector, and passing through point parallel vector, it is a vector equation of line. Okay, see carefully this. Here it is 1 by 4, 0 and 1 by 3 are the direction ratios, so we can multiply or divide all three numbers by any real number. But here 2, 0, 2 and 5 by 3 are the Cartesian coordinates. Here there we cannot be changed. Here multiply by 3 cannot be here, because it is a Cartesian coordinates of the point, and it is a direction ratios. Direction ratios are proportional number, proportional any number, so we will multiply or divide this number. Okay, now last example in this exercise. Find the coordinates of points on the line x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 upon minus 2, and z minus 3 upon 2, which are at the distance 3 units from the base point A 1 2 3. Okay. Now we have to find the coordinates of the points on the line which are 3 units from this. Okay, here it is a given line. Given line, it is x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 upon minus 2, and z minus 3 upon 2. Okay, here, and it is a point 1 2 and 3. We want to find the coordinates of the point which are in the distance 3 units. Suppose this is point x comma y comma z, which distance it is a 3. Okay, on the line. That means distance between these 2 points, it is a 3 units. So by using distance formula, we find the distance between this point. But this point, it is x comma y comma z, and this point lie on line. Therefore, first find the coordinates of any point on this line, and then find the distance between them. But from point A, on this side 3 units or this side 3 units, so we get 2 points. Okay, here distance from this side is also 3 units, so we get this point, that means 2 points. Okay, now given line, it is x minus 1 upon 1, y minus 2 upon minus 2, and z minus 3 upon 2 is equal to lambda. Okay, suppose it is equation number 1. Therefore, x minus 1 is equal to lambda, y minus 2 is equal to minus 2 lambda, and z minus 3 is equal to 2 lambda. Therefore, x is equal to 1 plus lambda, y is equal to 2 minus 2 lambda, and z is equal to 3 plus, it is 3 plus 2 lambda. Therefore, x comma y comma z, 1 plus lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, and 3 plus 2 lambda. B, point on line 1. Okay, it is any point on the line 1. Let it is A, we can say it is a B. B, x comma y comma z, that is coordinate of B, 1 plus lambda, 2 minus 2 lambda, and 3 plus 2 lambda at a distance three units from A, 1 comma 2 comma 3. Therefore, AB, length AB is equal to 3. Okay, now we know the coordinate of point B and coordinate of point A, and distance between them, it is 3. So by using the distance formula, here under root of, here x2 minus x1, 1 plus lambda minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 2 lambda minus 2 whole square plus 3 plus 2 lambda minus 3 whole square is equal to 3. Okay, see carefully. By it is a distance formula, under root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square plus z2 minus z1 whole square is equal to 3. Now calculate. It is 1 minus 1. Therefore we can write under root of 1 minus 1 get cancelled, lambda, it is a lambda square, plus 2 get cancelled, minus 2 lambda square, it is a 4 lambda square, and again 3 get cancelled, plus 4 lambda square is equal to 3, and therefore it is 9 lambda square is equal to 3, squaring on both sides. 9 lambda square is equal to 9, and therefore lambda square is equal to 1, that is lambda is equal to plus or minus 1. Okay, now coordinate of point B. Therefore if lambda is equal to 1, then coordinate of B, it is 1 plus 1, 2 minus 2, and 3 plus 2, that is 2, 0, 5. And if lambda is equal to minus 1, then coordinate of point B, it is 1 minus 1, 2 plus 2, and 3 minus 2. And therefore coordinate of point B, it is a 0, 4, 1. That means the required points are 2, 0, 5 and 0, 4, 1 are the required points, which are these 2 points which are at a 3 unit distance from point A. It is A, 1, 2, 3. Okay, see carefully this.